If you're going through IVF and feeling confused or overwhelmed, don't guess. Just scan the QR code and chat with my IVF chatbot. It's free, instant, and gives you honest answers, anytime, 24/7. Now let's talk about something most clinics won't tell you. IVF success is not just about choosing the right doctor, it's about becoming the right kind of patient. Most patients are trained to be passive. They sit quietly, follow instructions, and hope for the best. That's a mistake. Because IVF is complex and small errors, especially in the lab, can make the difference between success and failure. If you want the best outcome, you need to become an informed, proactive partner in your treatment. Let me give you a simple example. After your egg retrieval and fertilization, your clinic should be able to show you photos of your embryos. These are not nice to have, they are your medical report card. If your clinic cannot provide clear embryo images or avoids discussing them, that's a red flag. You have every right to ask. How many embryos reached the blastocyst stage? What was their quality grading? What was your lab's conversion rate? This is not being difficult, this is being responsible. The same applies to your treatment protocol. Don't just accept a standard plan. Ask why a specific stimulation protocol was chosen for you. Ask what could be done differently if this cycle fails. Ask what your real chances are, not marketing numbers, but honest age-specific success rates. Good doctors respect informed patients. Bad clinics prefer silent ones. The truth is, IVF works best when patients and doctors collaborate as equals, not when one blindly follows the other. Because at the end of the day, this is your body, your embryos, and your future family. So don't outsource your thinking. Take control of the process, even if you cannot control the outcome. And if you ever feel unsure, stuck, or just want a second opinion, scan the QR code and chat with my IVF chatbot. It's the fastest way to get clear, unbiased guidance and make smarter decisions for your IVF journey.